Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, AS and A-level student. So today, we have to discuss one of the further mathematics question from past year paper 2024 question. Okay, so this is our website Vision IGCSE. Suppose if you want to access the notes, worksheets and practice questions from the past year paper, all these things comprehensively, then you can visit our website. So here for IGCSE you have a resources are there, and A level you have a here mathematics, further mathematics, physics already we have created, and all the past year paper we have updated and going to update in coming days and months. Fine. So further math, you have a 4 subjects are there. Today we have to discuss one of the question from the further pure mathematics 2. So in the further pure mathematics 2, you have a differential equation, one of the topic. All right. So here we have, so we have question from May-June 2024, paper 2, further mathematics, further pure mathematics 2. All right. So this is question number 3. We have the curve C has an equation x cube plus 2xy plus 8y cube is equal to negative 12, and show that at a point of negative 2 comma negative 1 on C, dy by dx is negative 1 by 2 we have to show. All right. So here first of all we'll do the simple calculations stuff. So it's a, if you take the dy by dx, it's a x cube plus 2xy plus 8y cube is equal to minus 12. Fine. Then 3x square plus, now here you have to apply the product rule. 2x as it is, dy by dx plus 2y plus 8 times 3 is 24y square dy by dx, and derivative of constant is 0. That's it. Take this dy by dx together and transfer this the term without dy by dx to the right hand side. Fine. So we will get 2x plus 24y square dy by dx is equal to negative here 3x square plus 2y. Fine. Then dy by dx will get, which is negative 3x square plus 2y upon 2x plus 24y square. Then we have to substitute x and y as a negative 2 and negative 1. So if you substitute this one, you will get here negative, then 3 times negative 2 bracket square plus 2 times negative 1 divided by 2 times negative 2 plus 24 times negative 1 bracket square. Fine. So we'll get negative here, first part 12 minus 2 upon minus 2 times 2 is minus 4 plus 24. Fine. So it's a negative 10 upon 20, which is nothing but just negative 1 upon 2, that is dy by dx. So that is what we have to show. All right. I hope you are getting this step by step. Fine. Even we have added these kind of questions. So these are the past year paper questions, right? All these past year paper questions we have added to our website as well. No need to buy books separately. Fine. We have been guiding through to the all our student as well as student who are opting the further math as their subject for university admissions and all. Fine. You can just take our the further math book or just kind of complete section. Fine. Subscribe it. Okay. So you will get all the things, notes, okay, explanation, further pure 1, further pure 2, mechanics, statistic, further statistic part as well. So that's a very easy to understand all those questions. Okay. Then dy by dx part here, this one as it is. So it's helpful for to find out the d2y by dx square. Fine. So here first of all we have to again take the derivative. So 3 times 2 is 6x plus, fine, here 2x derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square. Fine. Plus 2x derivative is 2, just a dy by dx plus 2 y derivative is dy by dx, fine. Then nextly 24 y square d2y by dx square, fine, plus 24 times 2 is 48 y d2y by dy by dx bracket square will get, okay, is equal to 0, fine. So that's it. Now wherever you have a dy by dx, you have to take it together and substitute the dy by dx, fine. And then here we have to figure it out, d2y by dx square, fine. And the point is same, so even you can straight away substitute dy by, here I will write dy by dx as a minus 1 upon 2 straight away. That's fine, okay. So here you have to substitute x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1, and dy by dx as a minus 1 upon 2. Yeah, and we have to figure it out, d2y by dx square. Yeah, so 6 times minus 2 plus 2 times minus 2 d2y by dx square plus 2 minus 1 upon 2 dy by dx. Yeah, then plus 2 times, again here we have a d2 dy by dx, so negative 1 upon 2, fine. This part get cancelled out, plus 24 y is minus 1 bracket square d2y by dx square plus 48 y is minus 1 and d2y by dy by dx square is minus 1 upon 2 bracket square is equal to 0, fine. Now just keep d2y by dx square to the left and all other things you can simplify and transfer to the right. So it's a minus 12, isn't it? Then plus here you have a minus 4 plus 24, this 2 part d2y by dx square, isn't it? Then plus 4 times here just you got negative 1, negative 2, 1 is negative 2. Yeah, then you have 48 minus 48 times 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Yeah, so here 20 d2y by dx square is equal to, transfer all other things to the right, fine. So negative 12, negative here again 12, 24 and 26. So negative 26, if you go to the right hand side, it will become positive 26. Yeah, and then d2y by dx square is 26 over 20, which is 13 upon 10. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this explanation as well. Fine. Share and subscribe to our channel and refer more on our website for questions, notes, worksheets and all. Thank you.